What's up, guys? Back with a new video, and today we are going to test out some supercross tracks. And I know you guys might thinking you don't have a supercross bike. If you look right here, this is my supercross bike. I have a Yamaha 778. Because on a dirt bike, you have to have that much numbers. You have to have 3 digits. Let's go through my storage right quick before we start the video. Tesla Cybertruck, that, my side-by-side, this, and this. And I have more stuff. This is like my drag racing car. And this is like my rock crawler with a wing on the back. So this is kind of like a rally car, that one. And let's go try to see all of the maps. Dirt bike tracks. Dirt bike trail. Let's go on the trails right quick. Rating needs to be all the way up. Dirt bike trail riding. Dirt bike trail. The best dirt bike trail ever. Please like. Okay. So I'm just joining a random one. I just click one and click play, and I don't know where I am. Oh my gosh! Why does it do that every time I join? Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. Oh, there we go. There. I was doing the wrong button. Oops. Over there. Okay, there we go. So, I'm just gonna park my trailer. I don't know what I think. I just picked a random one. Guys, we are so close to 1,000 subscribers. And if we hit 1,000 subscribers, I am going to do a live stream on God. So, guys, like and subscribe, please, so I can do a live stream, because that's one of my biggest achievements to do. Wait, hold on. And it's one of my, I've always wanted to do a live stream, so if you guys could hit that subscribe button, that would be awesome. Well, I almost hit that. We are not skipping none of the trails. I want to do the track, but I'm just going to do this trail for now. Oh, are these supposed to be supercross jumps or something? Oh. How are we supposed to get through this? I don't have a snorkel on a dirt bike. Don't slide, don't slide, don't slide, don't slide, don't slide. Okay, good thing this thing has max level grip. Ah! Sounded bad with those loops. I know that. How the heck am I supposed to make it up this? Oh my goodness. This is not even made for dirt bikes. I cannot make the dirt bike. That does not exist, but I do have a mud folder that does work. In the past other videos, I still gotta make episode 3 on it, and I'll do that later. I'll probably do it today after this video, probably. But oh my gosh! But right now I'm doing this video, so I wanted to do that like a month ago, but I didn't have time. I don't have time for anything. That was not a good trail. I can't lie. That was not good. You guys could do better. I can't lie. Why is there a rock right here? Oh, it's a campfire. Let's go try my truck now. Pretty sure it's right over here. Okay, just gonna go through here, which is pretty easy. I don't think my truck has a snorkel. Yeah, I don't think my truck has a snorkel. We might have to go back. I'm probably gonna get a Duramax, probably. Unless that thing goes way up. Probably. Swap cars. Should I get a Duramax? Because I have a lot of cars that I could possibly sell. Oh my gosh, I'm flipping it. I'm flipping it. Oh god. Gosh, that I just paid 100. Oh my gosh. Okay, good. No damage has been. Okay, $14. Really? You're making me pay $14 for this? Oh my god. Okay. Bruh. If it takes water damage, but I'm fine because it actually wasn't that deep. All I have to say is that my dirt bike would not make it because it would not climb up. Let's see if it will climb up this. This is what having lifted is. It kind of helps. Put that baby in low. Toe. Okay, I'm gonna break my winch if I do that. I like this pickup truck. I can't lie, I do like it. I really do like it. Oh my gosh. It has mud flaps on the back. It's pretty dang cool. I can't lie. If you guys can't see, my favorite color is red because most of my cars are red. The ones that aren't, I like them that way because I haven't paid them off. That's another reason. Oh my gosh. I'm surprised I saved that. These are made for dirt bikes. And I do have that. I do have 2 tires. That's how you know that it's a pickup truck. There is one in the shop that I'm pretty sure that's $25,000 and it already has a dually in the back. And it's a dually. That white truck that I had was a dually. It came with it. And that one was like $1,000. But I can sell it for a lot now. I can sell it for a lot. If there's damage connected to it, you can sell it, but it'll just be the same price if you paid off. That's something that I don't like about it. Because when you pay like $100 and something on the truck after you did it, it doesn't show your payment off. And that's just annoying. So my gosh. Okay. So in our other video, we found a rusted four-wheeler. You guys can go check that out. If you just click on my thing, on my name that says KRB Motorsport. I do have a much fuller life. I do. And I'll show that. I won't show that because that's a private picture that I'm working on. I'm working on it for video. I am working on it for video. Oh gosh. And guys, that would be all of the video today. Bye.